the upper body being more weak. So we're going to try and concentrate on the core today. Try strengthening the core as we work out other workouts in the course of the week. We hope you enjoy the core workouts today. Before we start, let's get a warm up. Nelly, we're crisscrossing the legs, then touch down, crisscross, touch down, crisscross, down, crisscross, down. Okay? We're doing 30 counts. These are 4, 5, 6, 7. If you can't crisscross the leg, just step on the side, go down, step on the other side, go down, step on the side, go down, step on the other side, go down. Okay? Your own pace. If you can't crisscross as fast as Nelly is doing, just hapo tu, pole pole, then down, then down. Take it on your own pace. Good job. Tuendelee. 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 20, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, almost done. 4, 5, good job. 6, push it. 7, 8, 9, and 10. From there, we're going on a high, just knee ups there. Hapo. Knee up. Bring it down, down, down. Let's go. 1, 2, 40 counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. 8, 9. Those are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push it early. 7, 8, 9. Those are 20, 20 to go. 1, 2. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 30. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Our sit-ups today, we're doing them with 2 jabs. So you'll do a sit-up, you come up, give me a right and a left jab, then you go down. Okay? Nelly, you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Hope you have your mat ready. You start, Nelly. Are you comfortable? Gonna push forward a bit. Good job. Perfect. Are we ready? Nelly, we go up, sit-up position, right, left jab, slow, then we go back down. Alright. All our workouts today, we're going to time them. So we're starting with a 60-second workout. 60, you go to 50 seconds, 40 seconds, 30 seconds, and it's a wrap. Till however much time we have. Okay? Perfect. So we're starting with 60 seconds, and our timer starts now. Let's go. Jab, good job, and go down. Easy. Up, give me jab, jab, then down. Good job, let's go. Up, jab, jab, then down. Up, jab, jab, then down. For only 60 seconds. Okay? If you can do it faster, no problem. Push yourself. If you can't do it as fast as your partner or even as Nelly, take your time. If your feet cannot come up, or if your feet are actually coming up as you try to do the sit-up, try to get a table or a seat or a couch, lock them there. Okay, zishikwe na mguu ama mtu akushike ama zishikwe na meza ama zishikwe na kiti, just get them glued there. Okay? Then you're able to do the sit-up. Let's go, Nelly. We have how many more seconds? 10 more seconds. Push it. Good job. Up. Nice one. Nice one. Tuendelee. And our timer is up. Good job. From there, another 1 minute. For the next 1 minute, we're going to do a plank with a knee tuck and a leg extension. Okay? Let's go. Up. Good job. Up. Good job. Take it easy. Then up. Take it easy. In. Up. In. And up. Good job. Let's go. In. Up. Easy. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. You're the only competitor to yourself. Kuna mtu mwingine. Take your time. Good job. If you can do it faster, remember it's a timed workout, 60 seconds. How many are you able to do? We're still on the plank position. Try and maintain the posture. Okay? Good job. Let's go. And up. Breathe. Breathe. Yes, breathe, 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 breathe. Your lungs needs to get as much oxygen as possible, so breathe. Usifungilie hewa ndani. Breathe, breathe. Good job, Nelly. Tuendelee, tuendelee. We have 6 more seconds to go. Push it for 6 more seconds. Push it. Push it, push it. Strengthening the core and our timer is up. Good job. Relax. From there, tunaingia the V ups. Okay. So now on the V up position, Nelly will be seated. Her legs will be up. Her upper body will be lying down on the floor. Then atakuwa anakuja juu as if she wants to touch her toes. She'll be making that V. Okay? V. So it's called a V up. Good. Good job. Take it easy. Then up. Good job. I want us to take it easy for those who cannot go as fast as possible. If you're able to do it faster, by all means, kindly push it harder. It's all time. We have 35 seconds to go. Good job, Nelly. Let's go. Good. You're doing fine. You're doing fine. Even if those legs tremble, zikiwa hapo juu, keep them there. Maintain them there. Okay? Nelly, let's go. Let's go. You're doing fine. You're doing fine. You have 18 more seconds to go. Push yourself. Push it. Good job. Take your time. Breathe. Good. Breathe. Let's go. You're almost there. Let's go. Good job. Let's go. Push it. Watch your miguu tetemeke. It's okay. Our timer is up. You okay, Nelly?
Yes, I'm okay.
Breathe. From there, tunaingia the toe taps. Now, the toe taps, Nelly will sit. Then her upper body will go low, down on the mat. Then she'll fold her knees. Then she'll be able to touch on the sides. The target is to touch the shoe. Okay? If you can go the way to your toes, even better. Okay? Nelly, you ready? Good job. Let's go. Push it. Give me some sweet. Yes, Ivo. Good job. Push it. Let's go. You're doing fine. Tuna target hizi mataya za sides, eh? Yes, let's go. Push it. Still have time. We still have 30 more seconds to go. Push it. Let's go, Nelly. Let's go. Good job. Push it. Push yourself. You need to push yourself, Nelly. Let's go. Push it. Still have more time to go. Let's go. You have 8 more seconds. 8 more seconds. Let's go. Push it. You're doing fine. You're doing it right. Up, push it. Good job. And stop. Our timer stops there. As we set the next timer for the next workout. Our next workout, we're doing the plank hip dips. Okay, so we'll get into a plank position, elbow plank position. Then your hips will be swinging from one end to the other, touching the mat. Plank hip dips. Others call it the London Bridge. The names, so many names for it, but yes, that's our next workout. Nelly, are you ready? So put your elbows down. Yes, elbows down. Perfect. Nice. Remember, posture is very important. Your core needs to be very well intact. Good job. Let's go. Push it. Good job. Take your time. Good. Push it. Yes, you're doing it right. Skuma. Yeah? Kama Russian twist feel, eh? Yes. Twende kazi. We need to strengthen the core. Core is very, very important at the end of the day. Core very, 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 very important. Push it. You have 25 more seconds to go. You're doing fine. Breathe. Just breathe. Breathe. As you work out, breathe. Fungie hewa. Good job, Nelly. Tap it down. Yes, tap it down. Guza chini. Ensure you can go as far as you can. If you can touch the mat on the floor, well and good. If you can't, it's fine. But the target is to actually make sure that your hips touch the mat. Our timer stops there. We start the next set. We're starting our second set. This set, we're timing it 45 seconds. Let me put my timer ready. My timer is ready. We're starting with the first workout, sit-ups. 45 seconds. Okay, let's go. Start. Nelly, you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Start. 45 seconds, push it. And 2 jumps, 2, then down. Let's go up, 1, 2, then down. Good job, let's go. 1, 2, then down. Good one again. 1, 2, then down. Good job, push it. 1, 2, down. Perfect, let's go. 20 more seconds to go, Nelly. Let's go. Good. Do it on your pace. If you can go faster than Nelly, please do. If you can't, maintain her pace. Okay? Let's go. Easy. 2. Then down. If Nelly is still faster for you, take your own pace. Pole pole. The important thing is finish the workout. Timer is up. Good. We set the next timer for the next workout. 45 seconds. Still pushing your cardio. We want your cardio endurance level to go high, okay? So you don't want to take such a long break at the end of the day. As much as you want to give those muscles, the core muscles, few seconds to actually relax, we don't want to make it too much prolonged, okay? Then we're good. So we're coming back to the second workout. Plank with a knee tuck and a leg extension. Are we ready, Nelly? 45 seconds. We start now. Let's go. Easy. Take your time, your speed. Do it right, the motion should be right. It's also very good for your glutes. Good. Good. Tell it. Push it, push it, push it, you're doing fine. 15 more seconds to go. 15 seconds, you're doing right. Hold it, up plank. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Good job. Good job. And our timer stops there. Good job, Nelly. Are you ready, Nelly? We're going for the V-up. 45 seconds. We good? We set? Perfect. Let's start. Let's go. 45 seconds. Our timer starts now. Good. You go on your speed. Maybe I want you to take it on a slower speed. Down, yes. Up, then up, yes. If you can't go as low as Nelly is, if she's too low for you, please make it faster. If she's still faster for you, take it lower and on your own speed. Your own speed, okay? Good, let's go. Good. Good. Let's go. 18 more seconds. You're almost there, you're almost there. Good. Good. Good job. Push it. Push it, push it, push it, push it. We're almost there. Almost. And our timer stops now. Good job. Relax. Breathe. Our timer starts now. Let's go. This one you can give me some speed. You can do it faster. Please give me some speed. You're able to do more. And squeeze those sides. This is my tire. Turn the cousin. Good. Push it. Let's go, lady. Let's go. 25 more seconds. Let's go. Push it. You're doing fine. Good job. Push it. Let's go, lady. That's what we're trying to work on. We're trying to strengthen this core so that even your endurance, this core can actually be able to take so much workouts without taking a longer break, okay? Now our timer stops there. Good job. Our timer, let me set my 45 seconds and we start now. Let's go. Take your time, take the hip down. Take your time, take the hip down. Turn the neck. Good job. Good. Yes, tap it down. Down, the other side. Good job, let's go. Push it. Good. Push it. You're doing fine. Kama iguzi ni sawa, but the target is to make sure that it touches down. So we pole, we work on it. Good, push it, Nelly. Good job. Yeah, let's go. Till you hear my timer, till I tell you to stop, don't stop. Endelea. And breathe. Now timer is up. Relax. We take a 30-second breather. We go to our third set. On our third set, we're doing a 30-second workout. So we're reducing the time again to 30 seconds. Okay? Get into that baby pose position, relax and breathe. You need to breathe in. Okay? Don't deny your body the oxygen it requires. Good job, Nelly. Good job, good job, good job. Good job. You're doing fine. The consistency is all that matters. Okay? Your feedbacks, very welcoming, very warm. We appreciate the engagement, and we hope that today you're not the same way you were when we started the workout. Good. Our timer is up for the breather. So we start again. We're starting with the sit-ups again. Once more. Now this time around we're doing 30 seconds. So 30 second sit-up. Try and make sure that you can do as many reps as possible based on the time. You okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let me set my timer. And my timer is ready. Are we ready? Let me start. Good job. Let's go. Start. Give me a jump. Down, down. Good job. Come up. Go on your space. Take your time. Come up. Give me a strong jab to the right, jab to the left, then go back down. Easy. Good job. Up. Let's go. Down. Good job, Nelly. Let's go. Jab, jab, then down. Good job. Let's go. Push it. Then down. Come up. Give me a jab, jab, then down. Our timer is up. Good job. From there tunaingia the plank knee with a tuck, knee tucks. And the leg extension, still doing 30 seconds. 30 seconds. You ready?
Yes.
Nelly, are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Bring in the knee and kick it back out straight, okay? Are you ready, Nelly?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you ready? Good job. Let's start. Timer starts now. Good job. Let's go. Good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff, yes. I like that. I like that. I like that. 20. Try get these workouts later. Engage us on Facebook, NTV, Kenya, online. Tell us your feedback. Number 2, take the workout, repeat it on your own time. Try beat your time, okay? Good job, good job, good job, good job. Try and make sure that if you're only doing 20 sit-ups for every 30 seconds, try and improve that 20 sit-ups to at least 21 sit-ups within 30 seconds, okay? That's the growth we are looking for. That bit of consistency will give you that growth, okay? Good job, Nelly. From there, we're going back to the V-ups. Breathe, 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 breathe. Good job. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Are you okay?
Yes.
We start. We're getting back to the V-ups. Okay? Good job. Are we ready, Nelly? My timer is ready and let's start. Let's go. Good. Push it. Push it, push it, push it. Inua mwili. Yes, hivyo. Inua mwili. Good job. Yes, hivyo. Good job. Push it, push it, push it, push it. You're doing it right. Tuendelee. Good. Endelea. Don't give up. You should don't even allow that thought to get into your head. Don't. Good. Push it. Push it. And our time is up. Good job. 30 seconds are over like that. Yes. Awesome. You're doing fine. Congratulations. Let me set my timer for the next workout. 30 seconds. We're almost done. We're almost done. We're going now to the toe taps. From the toe taps to gear hip dips. Then we stretch. And we'll have started our day and our morning in a healthy way, courtesy of NTV Tizi Nyumbani. Are you okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Can we start? Can we start, Nelly?
Yeah, we can.
Can we start? Good job. Let's go. Start. 30 seconds. Give me some speed. Try give me some speed. Give me as many reps as you can. As many reps as possible. Good. Push it. Swing it. Buza chini. Yeah, I know. Let's go. 15 more seconds. 20. I'm also doing it here. Let's stand. Twende. Twende. Till I tell you to stop. Push it. Good job. Now time is up. From there, tunaingia now the plank with the hip dip. Or the London Bridge. Popularly known by different names, but it's the same workout, okay? Relax kidogo, for at least 20 seconds. Good. Breathe. Okay? How are you feeling? Are you getting some cramps? No problem. If you feel these cramps, no problem. Take a longer break kidogo, then you join back to the workout and you're able to join us back, okay? You okay, Nelly?
Yes.
How are you feeling? You getting the cramps as well?
Yes.
Ole? Good? Let's go. We start. 30 seconds, then it's a wrap. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Timer starts now. Let's go. Good job. Push it. Further. Yes. Yes. Further. Good. 15 more seconds. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it there. Take it down, take it down, take it down. Good job. Tap the floor. Tap the floor, tap the floor. Good. Tap the floor. Good job. Good job. Now time is up. Who knows? Who knew that minutes could be that short? Yeah? Hope you've enjoyed the ab workout. Remember, you can access this workout back on Facebook, NTV page. Get the workout, repeat the workout, share it with your friends. If you're getting the feedback, if your body is giving you a very positive feedback in terms of change, kindly let us know. How did you start NTV Tizi Nyumbani? How heavy were you? What could you not do? What are you able to do today? Please kindly engage us, and we'll be very glad to know how much of a success you have managed to do, courtesy of NTV. We love you. We appreciate you waking up early in the morning, tuning your TV every day, staying loyal, being consistent, and watching the workout. Okay, so we're gonna finish up with a stretch, then we start our day for the day. Okay, so let's do the normal stretch here. Standing. Good stuff. Just breathe. Good. Change the other leg. Good. Perfect. And then come buchini, toes up. Tap, touch your toes there with both hands and hold it. Good job, good job. Hold it, change the other leg. Same. Sorry, balance. It's okay. You okay?
Yes, I'm
Good job. Are you okay? At home, are you okay? Let's go. Hold it there. Your waistline here. The other side. Good. Let's stretch on the side here. Good. Other side. Good. Twist your neck round. Sifunge macho. Good. Then the other side. From there, breathe in, breathe out, Nelly. Are you ready? Let's go. Breathe in. Out. Good job. Breathe in. Out. Last one. Breathe in. Out. Thank you so much for staying tuned to NTV Tizi Nyumbani. See you tomorrow. God bless. Bye-bye.